Hello everyone, and welcome to the National Cooking Channel, Eat Well, Live Well, where we like to rethink food in a healthier way. Now today, we're going to be making a pumpkin soup. Now that's the fall season, and it's getting cooler outside. We like to make some of the fall classics by using pumpkin in our recipes, in which we're going to be doing a lot of pumpkin related recipes here at Eat Well, Live Well for the course of the month of October. But first, if you're new to our channel, or is this first time watching one of our videos, please don't forget to hit the like, the subscribe, and notification button, which is going to let you know whenever we release new healthy recipes to our channel, which will be every Friday. Now today, we're going to be making a pumpkin soup. But before we go about making our pumpkin soup, we're going to dive into a little bit of history of where pumpkin soup originates from. So, pumpkin soup actually originates from the country of Haiti. It was the Haitians that developed pumpkin soup as a celebratory soup for their independence from French colonists back in 1804. Now, the soup is still being celebrated every year on their Independence Day. Now, the soup back then was actually made with pumpkin, of course, but also with vegetables and meat. Now the beef that they used in the soup, the Haitian version of it, was marinated in a lime and sour orange juice. So it was very kind of bitter, made the sauce very tangy. So their soup was a bit of a tangy pumpkin soup, if you will. Now that our history is done, let's go ahead and make our pumpkin soup, guys. Well, that concludes our culinary journey for today, and I hope you enjoyed making that healthy pumpkin soup as much as we did. Now, if you like this video, if you have any modifications you made, or if you have any recommendations of what you would like us to do next, please don't hesitate by leaving a comment down below, because we'd love to hear about it. It's community experimentation. We'd love to explore new possibilities, and you as a community lets us do that. So again, please don't hesitate. Also, as a reminder, if you like healthy recipes like this one today, please don't forget to hit the like, the subscribe, and notification button, which is going to let you know whenever we release new healthy recipes to the channel, which is going to be every Friday. Now, until next time, eat well, live well, and we'll see you on our next culinary journey. Bye for now.